What if you could have more shop floor control, easily integrate machine data into your NetSuite ERP platform, have a robust manufacturing execution system, vastly improve operational insight and performance, and keep up with compliance? We believe that every NetSuite-based manufacturing operation can have all this and more. Extend your NetSuite ERP, improve your operations, integrate your entire business, and keep ahead of regulatory and compliance requirements. Get control of processing and order visibility, harvest machine information for end-to-end process control, and intelligently, easily, and continuously improve your business everywhere. Strengthen your NetSuite platform as your primary system of record while maintaining platform integrity, scalability, security, and performance. The I4.OS SmartFactory solution brings real-time, automated, scalable, and secure integration of your manufacturing process into your NetSuite ERP platform. SmartFactory connects your shop floor to improve work order management, labor productivity, inventory accuracy, equipment utilization, and quality across your operation. SmartFactory helps you improve your bottom line through reduced downtime, better labor utilization, improved quality, and lower cost of goods sold. SmartFactory is easy to implement and use. It is completely SuiteSuccess enabled with expanded SuiteAnalytics, so you already know how to make it work. We measure our success by your improved manufacturing operation, end-to-end visibility and control, and the capability to take your business where you want. Enable your business and expand your NetSuite ERP platform by taking full advantage of Industry 4.0 based IIoT, machine-to-machine integration, keep comprehensive operational history as needed, and electronic batch record management for those in regulated environments. Explore the I4.OS SmartFactory as the next step in extending NetSuite value across your entire manufacturing operation. Implement the I4.OS SmartFactory to increase your power to build more products more quickly, more intelligently, and more profitably. Visit asmartfactory.com or call 1-800-265-1230 for a demonstration.